Cash Giraffe. Solitaire Cash and Bingo Cash all reward players differently, and picking the wrong one can leave you spending time on an app that doesn't match what you're actually looking for. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is the better choice for earning rewards, which one is best for skill-based competition, and which one fits casual players. The biggest difference is how each app works. Cash Giraffe is a rewards platform. You install games through the app, play those games, complete milestones, and earn points that can be redeemed for available rewards. You're not competing against other players for prize pools. Your progress depends on playing eligible games and meeting the reward requirements shown inside the app. Solitaire Cash works very differently. The app centers on one game, Solitaire. Players compete in skill-based matches against opponents with similar scores rather than earning rewards for installing multiple games. Depending on where you live, you may be able to enter cash tournaments, while some regions only allow free play modes because of local regulations. Bingo Cash follows the same general idea but replaces Solitaire with Bingo. Instead of building rewards by trying different mobile games, you're competing in bingo matches where performance determines your results. Like Solitaire Cash, cash competitions are only available in eligible locations, so your experience depends on regional rules. So which app ranks first? If your goal is discovering new mobile games and collecting rewards over time, Cash Giraffe is the strongest option because that's exactly what it was designed to do. If you already enjoy Solitaire and want a competitive experience built around one game, Solitaire Cash is the better fit. If Bingo is your favorite game, and you prefer skill-based bingo matches, Bingo Cash is the obvious choice. One thing many people overlook is that these apps aren't direct replacements for each other. Cash Giraffe rewards game discovery and activity across multiple titles. Solitaire Cash and Bingo Cash focus on competitive gameplay in a single game category. Comparing them only by earnings misses the fact that they're built for different types of players. Here's the quick ranking. For rewards across multiple games, Cash Giraffe comes first. For competitive Solitaire, Solitaire Cash takes the top spot. For competitive Bingo, Bingo Cash is the clear winner. Pick the app that matches how you actually like to play, instead of chasing features it wasn't designed to offer. If this comparison helped, leave a like and subscribe for more honest app reviews, rankings, and earning guides.